like before, I'm an agent and an investor. So I just finished a flip, had it under contract. They were supposed to close Thursday. They canceled the contract because they weren't able to get financed. So I'm in the situation as the listing agent and owner, and I would like to know how you would come and help me sell this house with me being the listing agent and the owner.
I would give you, will you take 70 to 85% of market value for
it? I would have to look at the numbers. I mean, numbers don't lie.
Right. That would be the first option. That would be the first option.
Okay.
And you can do this for yourself, by the way, because you're with EXP, you don't need anybody else. If you're Express Offer certified, okay, you can do it for yourself on your own property. And so I would offer you Express Offer, cash, 70 to 85%. If the numbers work, you would take it. The second option I would offer you is traditional real estate services, right? Kick you off the listing and me become a listing agent.
Okay.
And the third way is, well, you already know how to do for sale, but I'll give you my for sale by owner checklist.
Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
So I can do the Express Offers myself.
If you're certified. 5-hour class, which I know you will be by 5 o'clock.
For sure.
Absolutely. Any other questions?
Thank
you. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, 100%. And Una, definitely, I know you business minded. You definitely need a VA submitting 3 offers a day.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm gonna implement that. I'm putting that on my 12 week year.
Gotcha.